So today I thought I'd show you how I get my artwork ready to take to the customer or send to the customer. In this case it is just take to the customer. They're a local couple, they don't live that far away from me, so I won't need to actually package it to be posted. So the first thing I do is I take the mount that I'm going to be using, line it up against the artwork. In this case, because the dog of the body does go all the way down to the bottom of the paper, I just want to make sure that my signature is can be viewed, against the mount. So I just line that up and then obviously sign that. The next thing I'm going to do is attach the artwork to the mount. I'm going to do this with framing tape. The framing tape was bought from Amazon along with the mount and the backboards and the plastic sleeves. So what I do to try and line it up properly is I put a piece of tape on the back of the piece of artwork, flip it round, and then place the mount where I want it and press down where the tape is. Once that's done, I turn it round, I attach on all four parts of the artwork, and then I have a stamp that I use on the back of the artwork. This stamp was purchased from Vistaprint. So if you want the link popping in the description, I can do that for you guys. Once that's done, I'm going to put the foam mount backboard against the artwork, and then I'm going to place it in the sleeve. Obviously remove the piece of tape, attach the plastic to itself, and then what I'm going to do is add a sticker with my logo and also my website. These again were purchased from Vistaprint. I think it's just a lovely little touch. So as you can see here, we've got 3 pieces of artwork and it's all done in exactly the same process. Like I say, I'm not actually posting these. If I was, then obviously I'd be putting them in a gift box, attaching cardboard round, etc, etc. I will probably do a video in regards to that at some point. But if there's anything else you would like to see on the channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Drop me a message in the comments and we'll see if we can get around to it. Anyway, have a lovely day. Toodle pip, bye-bye.